In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink to an email address, also known as a mail-to link, in PowerPoint. Creating mail-to links can be incredibly useful, especially when you want to provide your audience an easy way to contact you directly from your presentation. So let's get started. First, you need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Make sure it is installed and updated to the latest version to ensure all features function properly. Once PowerPoint is open, you can either start a new presentation or open an existing one where you'd like to insert the email hyperlink. Now, it's time to identify the specific object in your slide where you want this hyperlink to be. You can choose an object such as a piece of text, a shape, or even an image. This gives you flexibility in how you present this contact option to your viewers. Next, look towards the top of your PowerPoint window. Here, you'll find the ribbon with various tabs. Navigate over to the Insert tab. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to add additional interactive elements to your slide. Once you're in the Insert tab, head down to the Links section. You'll want to click on either the Link or Hyperlink option. Doing this will open up the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. As an alternative, if it's more convenient, you can simply right-click the object you've selected earlier and choose Link from the context menu that appears. Inside the Insert Hyperlink dialog, focus on the options available on the left side of the window. Here, you'll need to select Email Address. This choice will tailor the link creation process specifically for email addresses. When you've selected Email Address, you'll see a field labeled Email Address. Enter the full email address you want to be linked here. Don't worry about adding the mail to prefix, as PowerPoint automatically includes it for you. This prefix is essential for telling your email client that this link should open as a new email draft. Additionally, if you'd like to provide a default subject line for when someone clicks your link, you can fill in the subject field. This can be especially helpful if you want to categorize emails or if you expect specific actions from your audience. For a more polished user experience, consider adding a screen tip. This optional feature allows you to enter custom text that will appear when a user hovers over your hyperlink. It's a nice touch to give users a hint about the link's purpose. Finally, after you've filled out all the necessary fields and made your choices, confirm your hyperlink by clicking OK. This will complete the hyperlink creation process, and your selected object will now link directly to an email draft. By following these steps, you've now created a seamless way for your audience to contact you via email directly through your PowerPoint presentation. Enjoy utilizing this feature to enhance your presentations and make them more interactive.